In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Canva. This is a nifty little trick that can really enhance how you present your work, whether you're a designer, marketer, or just working on a personal project. So let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your design in Canva. Choose the image that you want to add a link to by clicking on it. This will select the image, bringing up a bunch of options for how you can edit and customize it to your liking. It's really user friendly, so don't worry if you're new to this. Once you've selected your image, look for those three little dots on the top toolbar, commonly referred to as the More icon. You'll find a variety of additional options hiding behind this menu, which is perfect for not cluttering up your workspace with too many visible tools at once. After clicking on the three dots, you should see an option called Link. This is your next destination. Clicking link will bring up another small window where you'll configure the specifics of your link. It's all very straightforward. Next, you'll want to highlight the box that pops up. This is where you'll be entering your URL. Go ahead and click on the field marked Enter a Link or Search. Now type or paste the URL in the field provided. A little tip, make sure your link is correct before proceeding, since it's always better to double check your work than to go back later and fix it. Once you're satisfied with the link you've entered, you'll see a confirmation button typically labeled Done or something similar. Go ahead and click Done to finalize the addition of your link. Canva will then embed the URL into the image you selected. By now, your image should be linked and ready to go. Feel free to test it out by hovering over your image and ensuring the link works correctly. It should open the web page you've linked whenever someone clicks on it, providing an interactive element to your design that viewers will appreciate. Remember, adding links to images can be a powerful tool for driving traffic, whether to a website, portfolio, or any other online destination you want to highlight. This small feature can significantly enhance the functionality of your projects in Canva, making them not just visually appealing but also interactive and helpful. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now learned how to add a link to an image in Canva. This technique opens up a world of possibilities for your future designs and presentations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Canva projects.